that were done, but more on the appeal of the MMDA that it will be required for EDSA rehabilitation. So sa amin po, kung nakita po natin wala pa rin pong pagbabago sa implementation, so we pick up where we left off. Ituloy po natin yung ating inquiry. This is not to say naman po, no, na yung NCAP ay is a bad thing. We laud it. Maganda naman po yung layunin ng NCAP. Ang problema lang po talaga yung implementation. At dahil wala pa rin pong, at least na nakikita po namin, walang pagbabago yung implementation ng NCAP according to the MMDA, we think na dapat makita po natin sa hearing po siguro kung ano po yung status nun. At pag nakita naman natin that if the MMDA is able to prove na okay naman po yung implementation, it will respect due process and the rights of the motorist, then wala naman problema yan. But as far as we are concerned from nakikita po namin, just dito po lang po sa labas ng house, confusing naman po yung markings natin sa Commonwealth. Kayo po, mga kasama natin sa media dito, dumadaan po kayo, palagi may asphalting, wala pang lane marking. So, paano po yun? Of course, sabi po nila that they vow to be fair, pero may